So we're on our way to Lowe's now. Just went and bought our second paint for the front door because it looked like Nickelodeon slimed it. Hopefully this one's going to be way better. And we're going to finish getting some wood, and then we're going to go home and start on the porch. I had to show y'all because this is what true remodels are like. Yeah, so we went and bought another one. Hopefully you can hear me while I'm doing this, but it's about to storm. So it hasn't rained here in, I don't know, 2 months. It's been really bad, so. But I painted the door, as you can tell. And I'm using a razor to get all of it off instead of taping it off. I thought it was the best, easiest thing to do, and it really is easy. The only thing I will say is you got to make sure you have, there's paint rolls and stuff everywhere, and they're kind of gummy. So, no, sometimes projects, not sometimes, almost all the time projects are way slower than you expected. They should be. You don't have to kill yourself to get stuff done. I've tried that. And it makes the process not fun. So take your time, whatever time you need to do what you gotta do. In our world, we forget sometimes that there's everyday stuff is our life, and enjoy it, because you know we're only here for a while. There's no one to impress but yourself and your household. You're the ones living in your house. I think this green's going to go really well. I've been working my job for a long time. During the day I work as in accounting, basically, in the accounting department. Stressful, and a lot of times this is my release to be able to get projects done, and you know, they never take the amount of time I expect them to. They usually double at least. Try not to let it bother me too much and just enjoy it, because it's just a process. My dog's on the other side watching. Like today we were able to do stuff. It got up to 91. It was horrible. Thought I was gonna pass out while we were cutting wood for the porch. But you know, it's alright. What you can do. And then when it got too bad, we were like, okay, done. That was it. And we took a nap. This little thing's handy. Got it from Jaegers. It's an Ace Hardware that's local. My husband's watching a football game, so if you hear something, it's my husband. I love listening to my husband watch a football game. Like, my husband should have been a football coach. He should have been. And, you know, he still thinks he is, just from the couch. And we're done with the columns. We're at the point of the project where we're surprised we're still married. I do love him, but he wants to choke me as bad as I want to choke him. Never fails, but look what's happening. It's gonna be so good, guys. We just got back from church, and what we're doing today is we decided to get something a little more beefier for top. So instead of this 1x4, we got some 2x4s to put on top for the top rail. And then we're going to build the rest of them, and we should be done, I would say, 2 hours. We'll see. It's Friday. We're almost done with the fence, or at least the railing of the fence. We can't paint or do anything with it until it's dried out for a few weeks. So we're just gonna caulk in all the seams and everything, nail holes, get that all ready. So when it comes time to paint, it'll be completely ready to paint, but it looks so good, guys. The only thing we have left to do is the stairs, and we're waiting on that because we're trying to get some concrete stairs like the side ones instead of doing wooden steps. It's just taking some time to see what we're gonna be able to do with that. There's been a lot of changes in my personal life. I've been working at the same place for 11 years, and I have recently taken a position with another company, and I don't start till the 1st, but it's going to be a completely different change for me. I mean, the company I've worked with has been my family, and there's reasons why we need to separate ways, but you know, they've been good to me, and I appreciate them. But I'm really excited for the future and how that's going to help me, my family, and new adventures. So hopefully I'll be a little less stressed around here. Hey, Saturday morning, Saturday afternoon, just ate lunch, and this morning, my daughter-in-law Ash and I started working on the last part here, and as soon as that's done, we're basically done until we decide what we're going to do with the stairs. So we're super excited about that, and then it'll be time to clean up this mess and start decorating. But it is a mess. I don't know if you can see. There's so much stuff here, but Murphy in the house. Yeah, but I'm ready to get it all cleaned up, decorated, make it look nice and finished. And